All the tools needed to perform the repair are included in our repair kit. In this repair, you'll need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, interlobe screwdriver, a plastic separation tool, or as others will say, pry tool, suction tool. Safety precaution: before anything else, always turn off your smartphone and remove SIM card when performing glass replacement. Using the pentalobe screwdriver, remove 2 screws under the phone. Using suction tool, pull screen outwards. Carefully pry open screen when you see the gap. Using the opening tool, pry open the screen. Remove screws for metal cover, securing screen connectors. Remove the marked screws, securing the battery. Always be careful when prying up the connector. Time to remove the connectors from the logic board. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.